Now, my colleague Megumi will show us how to make lemon ramen noodles. One of the ways to make lemon ramen is to add lemon powder to the noodle dough. For demonstration purposes, we will add 5% lemon powder to the weight of wheat flour. Otherwise, we will use standard noodle making recipe and procedures for medium water content ramen. First, let's make a dough mix using mixing unit built in the Richmond Type 1 noodle machine. Once the mixing is done, we transfer the dough into a plastic bag and let it rest for a while to improve its qualities. Next, we start feeding the mix between the rotating rollers to form a continuous dough sheet. Then, we wrap a tip of the dough sheet coming from the machine onto a rolling pin and allow it to wind up automatically. Very easy. After the rough sheet was formed, we split it into two halves and combine them together to get a more elastic and strong sheet. We repeat the combination to make the sheet even better. During the second combination, depending on the dough's water content, we may also want to apply dusting powder onto the sheet to prevent its layers from sticking to each other. From that point, we began to gradually thin down the dough sheet, passing it between the rollers several times until it reaches a desired thickness. Before each stage, we measure the actual thickness of the sheet to ensure our noodles will be the size and shape we want them to be and are the highest quality. Finally, we insert a cutter for the type of noodles we're making, turn the lever into cutting mode, and start cutting our dough sheet into separate portions. Okay, now we have our immune system boosting noodles. Let's check several examples of how we can use them. First, let's cook the noodles in rolling boil water for 1.5 minutes. For the first 5 to 10 seconds, stir the noodles with chopsticks to prevent them from lumping together. After boiling is done, take out the noodles and strain off the water. We can either serve the noodles in soup, or arrange them in skimming style where the noodles are served without soup and then dipped into the sauce when eating. For plating techniques, your imagination is the limit. This was Seiya Takeuchi from Yamato Noodle School. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Should you have any questions, please browse our website yamatonoodle.com. Also has a contact form which you can use to send us direct questions or inquiries. And remember, Yamato is your most trusted partner in noodle business.